There are many products available to choose cleaning supplies, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cleaning supplies from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tide Hygienic Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. Tide detergents always earn high marks in our evaluations, and this one is no exception. In fact, we named the pod version of this formula the best overall in our assessment of laundry detergents. The benefit of a liquid detergent is that you are able to use less or more to suit the size of your load of laundry. UV light tests have revealed that this detergent removes dirt you can't typically see, leaving garments cleaner than a typical detergent. This liquid doesn't contain any dyes or perfumes, so it may also be a good choice for those with sensitive skin. Number 2. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner Spray. Without proper care, your shiny wood floors can quickly become worn and dingy. Fortunately, Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner makes upkeep easy. This spray is the best performing floor cleaner we have evaluated so far. In our tests, it removed tough soils like shoe scuffs and dried sticky jello with just a few strokes. The formula evaporates quickly, so there is no need to worry about pets or children leaving footprints while the floors are still drying. It is also EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it meets stringent human and environmental health criteria. Number 3. Spic and Span Cinch Glass Cleaner. A glass cleaning spray is essential for keeping mirrors and windows free of fingerprints, dust, dirt flecks, and streaks. Cinch Glass Cleaner can do all that and more. We found that not only does this spray perform well at removing typical soils without leaving streaks behind, but it's also good at cutting through and removing grease. While it is first and foremost a glass cleaner, the formula can also be used on stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Some online reviewers remark that this cleaner has a strong smell, but it's not something we noticed during our tests. Number 4. Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. A good stainless steel cleaner will effectively remove grease, grime, and fingerprints from your appliances, all without leaving streaks or damaging the finish. Our lab tests showed that this aerosol spray from Magic is fit for the task. In our tests, this product was easy to use, and it was the only stainless steel cleaner that removed 100% of our test soil. Unlike some other cleaners we tested, it didn't darken the surface of the stainless steel, and it left behind very little residue and streaking. Plus, the formula adds a protective coating to appliances that helps repel new fingerprints. Magic advises against using this product on stainless steel cookware. Number 5. Dawn Platinum Dishwashing Soap. Dawn Platinum's impressive grease-cutting ability and exceptional cleaning performance have earned it a spot by our sink in the home care and cleaning lab. This GH Seal Star dish soap's powerful suds emulsify and trap grease, preventing it from settling back on dishes. Its powerful formula effortlessly softens and removes burnt-on messes with just a small squirt. Beyond dish duty, it proves its versatility by serving as an effective remedy against grease stains on clothing. Plus, it's affordable, making it a must-have in any cleaning kit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.